发言人你好。
It is reported that the U.S. Embassy in Panama said the U.S. government will work with Panama's Ministry of Public Security to add 7 new communications towers with secure American technology in 2 years in place of installed Huawei telecommunications equipment. The embassy said the U.S. is working to counter the malign influence of China throughout the hemisphere, making the Americans stronger and more secure. Panamanians President responded that the U.S. Embassy should refrain from making public pronouncements regarding decisions that are only made by the Panamanian government. What's your comment? The U.S. has long been engaged in eavesdropping, surveillance, and cyber attacks in Latin America and Caribbean, which exerts malign influence on the Western Hemisphere and makes countries in the American continent less secure. China, as always, supports Panama and other LAC countries in upholding independence and opposing domineering and bullying practices, as well as external interference. China's friendly cooperation with LAC countries follows the principle of mutual respect, equality, mutual benefit, openness, inclusiveness, and win-win. We never seek a sphere of influence or engage in political competition, still less coerce other countries into picking sides. The LAC region is no one's backyard. The U.S. should stop the condescending and domineering moves, politicizing trade and tech issues, interfering in other countries' internal affairs, undermining their sovereignty and independence, and coercing them into picking sides and limiting their cooperation with China. Instead, the U.S. should contribute more to make the region more peaceful, stable, thriving, and prosperous.